Hello everyone, I am Mahi Savne from class 9th. Today I am going to explain law of chemical combination. So the law of chemical combination has two types. First is law of conservation of mass and second is law of definite proportion. So first is law of conservation of mass. So it states that mass neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. For example, it is a pen and obviously it has some mass. So I can't create this mass and I can't be destroyed this mass, but it can be converted from one form to another form. Example is H2O. So what is H2O? H2O means water. And to make water, I want some grams of hydrogen and some grams of oxygen. So the mass of hydrogen is 1. It has 2 atoms, will multiply by 2. And oxygen mass is 16. So that will be equal to H2O. Mass we got 2 gram, 16 gram, that will be equal to 18 gram. So what we got? We got water. Second law is law of definite proportion. In a chemical reaction, the elements are always present in a definite proportion of mass. So first is, what is chemical reaction? So it is CO2, carbon dioxide. It is consists of carbon plus oxygen. This one is called chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. It is a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the elements, so this one is also element, carbon, and oxygen is also element. This both are present in a definite proportion of mass, in a constant proportion of mass. So in first law we have taken an example of water. So in this we also take water. So water is consist of hydrogen and oxygen. So we got 2 upon 16. After doing divided, we got 1 upon 8. So it means to make water, I want 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. Then water will produce. Whether I will take from pond, river, pond water, but 1 upon 8, this one is required. Second example is CO2. Carbon dioxide, that is consists of 2 elements. First is carbon and second is oxygen. So the mass of carbon is 12 and the mass of oxygen is 16. It has 2 atoms. It means multiply by 2. That will be equal to 32. That will be equal to 3 upon 8. That is 3 ratio 8. So it means I want 3 grams of carbon and 8 grams of oxygen. Then carbon dioxide will form. And according to mass, the proportion will form. Thank you.